Okay, right back with you, 8:29 and 28 seconds. There's no jump cuts. There's no editing. This is the real live filming of the channel. You're on a Friday, the first 5 days of AI trading futures. A guy out of his RV living in Florida making some money in the markets. Go ahead and reset this chart, get these candlesticks looking correct. So it's not as beautiful as I'd like. Let's see what the 1 minute is. So we got a little bit of a chop. Let's see what that range is for this opening range breakout. Yeah, it's only 10 points, and that right there moved it to 14 points. Let's just see what's happening here. There's your opening. I'm a little worried about this. I'm not going to take it because we had this little chop above neutral there at the open. So let's just wait and see what's happening. AI trading futures, you're at the open 8:30 here. Fresh video started, third one of the morning. Let's see what's going to happen here. Not going to take it. We do have an imbalance, but if we'd taken that long, you'd had to have been really, really fast. I think the short's going to be the play here. The short is going to be the play. Let's just wait for a second. We're going to go ahead. Grok says take it. All right, right there, folks. We took the short of the breakdown of the opening print for $1,050. Oh, got a great pour on that, chat. It'll wind up being $1,500. So day has been made. The day has been made at $1,500. Trading. Okay. Look at that. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna take a screenshot to show the chat real quick. Sorry about that, but I got to do it. That's my MO. There you go, right there. All right, first trade out the gate this morning on that short. We waited for that pullback of that large wick on that up candle. Traded it on the 30-second candle. We took one trade with 30 lots in and out, 1,500 after commissions, 1,327. $1,000 a day keeps a doctor away, so we're already there. So now AI is telling me to go to 5 lots. Wow, she must think a lot of volatility. I'm going to go down to 5 contracts. And even though we're rocketing, yeah, it sure was. That's why I got in and out. There was the break of the VWAP with 3 million in balance. I hope you got that, Tim. It was an awesome trade. Oh man, sorry about that. That break of these candles. Yeah, you got to sign up and get your own subscription. That's how you play with it. Yeah, I do, but they'll be able to see everything live on the live. I won't have to do screenshots of my TraderVate. I'll figure that out where I just have a button on my thing, but I still have to click to it because it's off monitor. So I just been doing a screenshot because I screenshot them, chat, because I then post them to X. I post them to the Twitter account. And so it's like a double whammy. I have to screenshot it anyway to post it to X. So I screenshot it and then slide it over. But then that does impede anybody watching it. But I'm not supposed to be telling people, encouraging them to copy trade anyway. That's illegal. And so I'm only here for entertainment. Let's find ourselves another trade. We'll drop down to 5 lots. I'm going to make this an even number at 6 so I can stage in and out. That was just simply some balancing going on. And so those easy trades, I waited for it to break between the opening print, which was that previous candle there on the 1 minute. Took that quick trade, and I hit exit as soon as it whipped me through the 20 EMA. That's a quick scout. I saw 1,050, wound up getting 1,500 on it. So that 1,500 was, there it is right there. 1,500 one trade, 1,327. Now let's see if we don't give that back. We're going to drop down to the 30-second candles. And let's see here. We already got the 1 minute. Let's see what we're going to do on the 5. I'll play this 5-minute opening range if it's less than 25 points. And let's see. Friday rules in place. It's not. Look at that. It's 44 points. So going to sit on our hands here for a second and see who's going to take charge. That break of the VWAP on the 5 did not work. And so we might have a little selling pressure here. Friday rules in place. A lot of people take profits on their swing trades on Fridays. And so don't forget that. Sometimes you don't get your momentum to the upside until power hour, which we don't trade. We try not to trade. If we do, we trade it very small and just for creating videos. 5 minutes in, 8:34 Central, 9:34 New York time. Got Tim's in the house. There goes Tim. He has real hair. There's Timmy. Timmy's right there. Let's see what the guys are doing over there at the BDH. We'll bring up Pat. He and D Money, I guess, are trading. Yeah, he and D Money are trading today. Let's do it like this, and let's do this in theater mode. Then he'll go over there, and I can move this there. So they're live trading. Pat Whelan, he's got his competition next week, $39. Sign up on Sunday night, start trading on Monday morning. Take this out. Opening 5-minute range is in place, going to drop down to 30 seconds. Now let's start looking for some setups. Like and subscribe. You can download the guide below. It explains all these to you. We are getting a little tight range here. It's flirting with this VWAP. Let's see if we can't get us a nice volume play in here. We just got 6 contracts up now. That first trade of the morning was a winner for 30 contracts. Didn't get to do that yesterday because it sold off so hard right before the open that the range was too big for a stop loss. Today was a little bit whipsaw as well. Some people might call it gambling. If you think it's gambling, like and subscribe and comment down below. Jim, that's gambling the way you did that. And then I'll answer back and tell you why I did it and how it works about 75% of the time. All right, I like this little flat bottom. I'm going to go ahead and put my order in right here to sell 6 on the bottom if we break down through that. And I'm going to put an order right here to buy 6. About right there. Uh-oh. It's stuck on the indicator. What the heck's going on? All right, there it goes. Validated on the bottom. We're watching it. Let's see if we can't get a little momentum down there. All right, I'll do it. $180. I'll take it. Just 6 contracts. Just playing those whips. Look, already pulled back to the EMAs, so I'm glad I got out of that. Man, I got a bad pour on that. Y'all saw 180 over here. You can rewind the video. It only gave me $60. So 1560 on the day. Show you just real quick so it wouldn't hurt Tim over there. 1560. Oh, okay. 1560 on the day. And it was because before I was talking and I didn't go and do the screenshot so quick. And it was in the screen. It was in my where I was controlling my mouse mode. I won't do that anymore. I'll when I hit the button, I'll take the screenshot quicker. But there you go. 1560 on the day. 1352 after commissions. We'll take it. I still like this flat top breakout. I'm going to take it if we get momentum. Did you take it, Tim? Tim took the VWAP breakout. Nice little trade here, Tim. You got out too early, buddy. That was a nice trade. I should have took it too. I was just calling it, and then I missed it. I was just calling it. Look, it's a flat top and a VWAP break. It always gives you a little momentum. It may pull back. That's why we micro scalp chat. Okay, she's telling me to go to 10 lots over there. The AI says 10 lots it is. Yesterday, if you watched those series of videos, I missed a lot of trades where she was telling me to trade. I was telling you guys she was saying to do this, but I don't feel like I should do it. And damned if excuse my French, damned if she wasn't right. A couple more minutes on this video, and then I'll recap and we'll do the other one. Still nicely going right to the top of that range, Tim. So be ready for that top range breakout. If we get up here, I am going to buy that 10 on the limit, 25,165. I'm looking for that opening 5-minute range breakout. I am on the button to cancel that order if we're not passing through there with momentum. And right now we're just trickling up. We're just trickling up. I don't want to miss the wick, but I am going to cancel that order if it trickles up into my order. I will not take it. We only take trades when we have an imbalance on volume pressure. Very, very important that you have an imbalance on volume pressure. In other words, you got the bass drum's going up. I don't like how it's going up. It may still trickle up all day, but we are just trying to do calculated low-risk micro scalping, and that always has to be with a big volume pressure imbalance, more than 2 million. So one of these boxes says 5, like that selling box now says 5 to 3. That's the smallest threshold. That's the smallest threshold. I got a feeling something's going to set up, and that's the 10-minute mark, 8:39 Central. I'll be right back.